Now, Goldstein Buckley, Seckman, Rice & Pearts presents Counsel's Corner. Hi, I'm Amy Lynn. Welcome to Counsel's Corner. I'm here with Christopher J. Smith, Managing Attorney Partner with Goldstein Buckley, Seckman, Rice & Pearts, and today we're talking about defective medical devices. So let's get more into that, Chris.
Okay, so we have a population down here where there's a lot of folks that are at the stage in their lives where they're getting a knee replacement or a hip replacement or some other medical device implanted in their body, and those fail sometimes. And they not only fail, but we find out that there's a recall on that product where there is a reaction in the body. It's causing basically the different metals or plastics or whatever is inside the body to disintegrate. That's a terrible thing because you not only have to go through the surgery, then you have to go through another surgery to have that replaced. So those are the sort of cases we see. Okay, so let's talk about hiring a personal attorney for a medical device that has gone bad. Absolutely. So it's a contingency fee contract, which means that you don't owe us anything unless we recover for you. We specialize in these sort of cases. We take them all the time. There are some really important details in cases like these. Some of these cases, there are multi-jurisdictional groups set up to where if there's a lot of claims, then a judge will kind of oversee claims from many states and settle those claims. So you need to get your claim into these different setups timely to be able to make your claim. There's also some of them that require class action lawsuits, so we can kind of guide you through that class action process. Okay, so if you are looking for representation, you can call Goldstein Buckley, Seckman, Rice & Pearts at 239-500-HURT or go online, justicestartsnow.com. Thank you, Chris. Thanks for having me.